Doing everyone, Accent Boy here, back with another video. Um, so I just want to go over this um video and also article that I saw and media takeout. To shout out to media takeout for the source. But I'm sure you guys are aware of what taking place in the country of America, and if you guys aren't aware, I really don't know what's going on, and you guys probably live under a rock. And for years, since slavery days up until now, police officers have been killing blacks. And however, there wasn't any so-called justice being served. And if people don't know their history, the police system was basically started to capture black, and they used to go by the name of slave patrol. And as I said, for years police have been killing blacks, and it's just now that we starting to see some type of justice being served in our communities when police officers are killing our own people. However, so this video that I saw on Media Takeout is basically happened in the South, in New Orleans, Louisiana, if you want to call it. And here we have a white lady, as you know, they call the angry mob of white ladies, they call them Karen. And if you don't know what a Karen is, as I said, is an angry white woman. You could search it up. You guys have the internet. But here we have this white lady, also a white lady, and she's there on the phone, and she got a pair of scissors in her hand. And clear in the video, you could see where the officer say drop the scissors. And again, if you have any sort of weapon and you are coming after a police officer, I don't care what race you are, it is that officer right to protect himself, lethal force or not. And I don't care what color you are, as I said. And here you have this lady charging after the officer with the scissors. And not only that, she's gonna say, "You have to kill me, nigger." And if you guys don't know, the South is a very racist place. Not saying other parts of America is not racist, but the South is very racist. And she actually charged towards the cop, and the black cop shot her. He shot her one time, and she fell. And this is causing so-called outrage, basically by Republicans. Yes, those racist piece of crap. And also, you got some of the Democrats, they're also racist. And they're furious. My thing is this: how can you be furious when a lady with a so-called deadly weapon is charging after a cop? And I understand, and I know a lot of people gonna say, you're a cop, you're a guy, you could simply take her down. But same time, you never know what might happen. And I don't blame the cop to do what he done. And it's a life or death situation. And I really don't understand why the Republicans would be furious when it comes to black people and for white people killing blacks. You know how hard it takes for us to get so-called justice? Huh? And to be honest, if it wasn't for camera phones and also those video recorders, a lot of us wouldn't be getting any sort of justice when the police kill our so-called loved ones in the black community. So I don't understand how they're furious over this one incident compared to the amount of time that we've been killed from slavery days up until now. And I'm not looking at it as a race issue. I'm just speaking facts. I can't feel sorry for her. Yes, that's someone, maybe someone grandma, someone wife, someone mom, but you have to understand that you're putting your life on the whole, on you're putting yourself at risk and also others. And I can feel sorry for her. And and also in the article, a lot of people were saying that the officer did what he had to do. And I'm not picking up for the officer because he's so-called black. And if it was a so-called if it was so-called other way around, where it was a white cop and a black guy or woman charged, the white cop, they have so-called right to defend themselves too, just like the black cop this have the right to defend himself. So, and that's why I tell a lot of people, you need to control your emotion, because your emotion will get you in a lot of trouble. Your emotion will have you doing things that you would never think of doing in your own life. And look at this situation. A family is gonna lose a loved one, and it's not even Christmas as yet. You know what I mean? You don't even live to see the new year based on your so-called emotion having you doing stupid stuff. So people, let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm also gonna post the link to the video in the description box. Please let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe.